A huge collection of huge collection of huge. Hello. ऊपर ना कुछ काम चल रहा है and it's so damn scary. Instagram pages and smells. Hi guys, this is Snehal and welcome back to my channel Sugar Crayon, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys some of my recent purchases in jewelry slash earrings from Instagram stores, or you can say small homegrown Instagram brands. Now, as someone who runs her own Instagram business page or is a small business owner herself, I really wanted to do this video for a long time now. Now, I came across these pages randomly while scrolling through Instagram and I really love their stuff. So, all the things that I am sharing with you guys in this video is purchased by me. It is not a sponsored video. I have got everything from my own money. Now, since I am running my own Instagram small business page and after trying to build my own small homegrown brand, I really wanted to reach out to these small business pages and small business owners and give them a huge shout out. I know the kind of efforts a small business page owner puts into building their page and their brand and their products, and most of the time it's a one man or a one woman show. So I really wanted to put this out there and congratulate them for doing a really amazing job. So in today's video I'm not going to talk about my Instagram page, but I'm going to leave a direct link in the description box below. You can check out my Instagram business page through that link. With it, I'm also going to leave the direct links to all these Instagram pages that I'm going to talk about in this video in the description box again, so make sure you check them out. So the first Instagram page that I'm going to talk about is called as Aminik Handmade Jewelry. I hope I'm pronouncing their name right. So इनके page पे you'll find a lot of fun accessories like made out of thread, cloth, embroidery, beads, tassels, all fun stuff. And the thing I really love about them is that all their jewelry is kind of a mix of Indian, bohemian, contemporary collection. So I really love the whole vibe of their page. So the first thing that I want to share with you guys is this earring. ये मैंने मेरी एक पिछली वीडियो में पहना था and I got a couple of DMs asking me कि where did you get this earring from? So it's from Aminik Handmade Jewelry, and actually ये एक set है of neck piece and earring. You can get this earring separately as well, but I actually got this whole set for my mom. She likes wearing this long necklaces, तो मैंने सोचा कि मम्मी के लिए ये ले लेते हैं, but मम्मी से पहले ही मैंने ये earrings पहन के उद्घाटन कर लिया. So this is a very pretty earring with mirror work, thread work, and ये घुंघरू जैसे कुछ गोल गोल चीज़ें यहाँ पे नीचे bottom पे लगाई हुई है. Similarly, the locket has the same mirror work and thread work and this गोल 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 घुंघरू like things all over it. So very pretty set. Also you can buy this earring separately and इसमें काफ़ी सारे colors भी है, and also they kind of customize it to your liking. So the best thing about small businesses is that they customize things to your liking. I really love that about it. The next purchase are these pair of hoops. So I really like the vibe of this earring. It's again in red color. This is a cloth and उसके नीचे ये घुंघरू जैसी चीज़ें वापस से नीचे लगाई हुई है. Now this is a very simple jewelry piece, and at least for me it's simple because I wear a lot of funky stuff. तो इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल ज्वेलरी पीस, एंड ऑन डेज जब आपको ड्रेसअप करना है बट यू डोंट वांट टू कैच अ लॉट ऑफ अटेंशन, दिस इज परफेक्ट. एंड आई रियली लाइक द वाइब ऑफ दिस. मतलब अगर एक ऑफ वाइट कलर का कुर्ता पहना और उसके ऊपर ये इयरिंग्स पहने, इट्स गोइंग टू लुक सो गुड. सो अगेन आई रियली लव्ड इट. इसमें भी कुछ डिजाइन है and you can check their page for more options. Now the next earring that I want to talk about are the ones that I'm wearing, and to be honest it was love at first sight. मुझे ये इतने पसंद आए. It has black in it, it has pink in it, then it has a multicolored bird in it made out of embroidery and beads, and उसके ऊपर mirror work भी हो रखा है. इतना सब कुछ in one single earring. I was like I want to get this one for myself. तो इसको देख के मैंने बोला कि चलो और 2-3 चीज़ें ले लेते हैं. So I really like this earring. It is absolutely stunning and I like the whole colorful vibe of this earring. So it is really pretty and I am very glad with all the purchases that I've made from this store. Since I got so many things from them, they also sent me a small gift in the form of this ring. So I really like this one as well. It's very cool, adjustable ring hai. So thank you Armanic Handmade Jewelry. Your stuff is really cool and I really love it. A big thumbs up from my side and I wish you guys all the best. The next page that I want to talk about is called as Shop Mindful Vibing. Now it is owned by Kriti and she's a very beautiful person and the page is next level beautiful. I am literally hooked to this page. I'm not even kidding and I'm not even exaggerating. Like I am literally hooked to this page. तो they make handmade polymer clay jewelry. तो ऐसे ही एक दिन I guess मैंने Instagram पे मुझे ये page दिख गया and I checked out the stuff and I was like, dude, this is beautiful and this is so damn creative. And I was like, मुझे ये page से कुछ ना कुछ तो लेना ही है. Like इतना aesthetically pleasing है ये page. Sorry, I am not even exaggerating. It looks like I am in love, but I guess I am in love. So everything on her page is so beautiful. It is very well curated and she put so much hard work into every collection. I really love that page and इतनी तारीफ मैंने लाइफ में ना सच में किसी की भी नहीं की है, खुद की भी नहीं की है. So you really need to go to their page and check out their stuff. It is amazing. So the first purchase I made from her page is this beautiful multicolored earring and you can know more about polymer clay jewelry from her page. But I'm going to talk about what I have purchased. So it's a very beautiful multicolored ईयरिंग एंड इसके ऊपर ना ऐसे स्टड वाला अटैचमेंट है. तो अगर आपको चाहिए यू कैन गेट अ हुक अटैच्ड और यू कैन गेट दिस. तो मैंने बोला कि मुझे ये चाहिए तो इट्स वेरी कन्वीनियंटली कस्टमाइजेबल. सो द लास्ट ईयरिंग दैट यू सॉ वाज परचेज्ड 1.5 month पहले एंड उसके बाद शी डिड quite a few new launches, so I just couldn't resist and I got 2 more earrings from her new college edition. And the first one is this cactus earring. ये इतना सुंदर है. The colors are so vibrant and so popping. There is a red flower detailing उसके ऊपर and cactus के ऊपर भी छोटी छोटी detailing की हुई है. It's about the detailing, guys. It's damn gorgeous and I really can't wait to wear it outside. The next earring is the most cutest purchase I have made in my entire life and the moment I saw it on her page it did scream my name so loud because मेरे जो business page का logo है उसमें भी यही same colors and same vibe है and it literally screamed out my name. So I was like, dude, ये तो मुझे लेना है. So without talking more, I'll just show you these pretty pair of earrings. Oops, मैंने इसको उल्टा पकड़ा है. It has very cute rainbow detailing and उसके नीचे 4 petal flowers दोनों तरफ पे लगाए हुए हैं. It is so damn cute and all the colors that you see here are the same colors that you see in Crayon Closet का logo. So it just did scream out my name and I really wanted to get this one. And to be honest, it looks way prettier in person than it is in pictures and the neon color especially is giving such a popping effect to the entire earring. I really love this one. So this one is undoubtedly my most favorite purchase and to be honest I was planning to get something customized for myself. Crayon Closet and Sugar Crayon का जो vibe है, जो aesthetics है, based on that from her and she herself came up with this collection and with this earring and I was like, dude, chalo, I am going to get this one. So after getting these earrings I also thought कि कुछ matching pendants भी ले लेते हैं या some pendants that I can wear with my gold chain because I like wearing cute dainty stuff. So the first pendant is this very pretty rainbow pendant and it matches my rainbow earrings. I really like the size of it and to be honest the moment I received it I was like मैं ये रोज पहनने वाली हूँ because it just screams out Crayon Closet and Sugar Crayon to me. It's like Crayon Closet and Sugar Crayon made into a pendant. So it is just so cute. I can't stop adoring it. The second pendant is this matching cactus pendant to my cactus earring. Again, I really like the color of it and it just pops up so well when you wear it on your neck. It is so damn beautiful. I really like this one. And the third pendant is this beautiful daisy pendant and I did wear it with my gold chain and it looks very pretty and very dainty. So those were all my pendants. Again with it she did send me a small red heart colored pendant as a gift with this gold chain. So Thank you so much, Kriti, for sending this out to me. So those are all the things that I purchased from Shop Mindful Vibing, and I'm not even kidding, I'm not even exaggerating. And to others, I am not paid to say all of this. She has not done any favors to me to make me say all of this. So I'm genuinely a fan of what she does. And also everything comes in this very beautiful white dabba, and uske andar ek self care checklist aata hai. There is this very beautiful note. Then again there is when or if you feel anxious, some activities to try, some mindful practices. So it is very well designed. So Kriti, you are doing absolutely amazing. I am a fan of your page and I wish you all the best. So now I have shared with you guys a handmade thread embroidery related wala ek page, and also I have shared with you guys a polymer clay jewelry wala page. So I'm going to share with you another page जो कि है silver jewelry and Indian jewelry related page, and this is something that you might have already checked out or you might have already heard about. It is Oshri Accessories. Now I heard about them first on that Quirky Miss ka channel, and then I checked out their page and everything was so damn amazing. So Oshri is a page which is run by Amita, and also they have come up with their website recently, and also it is a small homegrown business owned by a woman, so it makes me so damn proud. So the first purchase is this very beautiful golden jhumka, and it comes with this very pretty kundan detailing, pearl detailing and white bead detailing. It is so damn beautiful. ये आपके कान पे यहाँ पे attach होता है, and then you can wear it like this hook get attached to your hair, and yeah, it is very pretty. It gives me a very Indian princess like feeling, and I also did click some pictures and posted it on my Instagram wearing this. So if you are not following me on Instagram, you should, because I post a lot of instant updates there. So my second purchase is this very beautiful silver or oxidized kind of chunky earring, and it has this beautiful pearl detailing and also kundan like detailing here, and isko yahan pe you have this attachment which goes and attaches to your hair like this, just like your previous earring, but you have an option where you can just remove this and detach this thing, and you can just wear the earring as it is. So it's pretty convenient again. So I really love this one, and it looks amazing with a lot of outfits again. So yeah. So again, to put it out there, everything that you saw in today's video was purchased with my own money, and this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to show my support to this very beautiful homegrown brands and pages. So by now you know that I love jewelry, and especially I love earrings a lot, and I can hold all different types of earrings, right from silver oxidized jewelry or polymer clay earrings or thread embroidered earrings, anything absolutely. So if next time you're confused about gifting options for me, you can absolutely find a very beautiful pair of earrings and send it to me. I love earrings in all forms, shapes, sizes, colors, etc, etc. And to all my fellow small business owners, a huge shout out to you guys. I wish you all the best. So that was all for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I loved making this video for you guys. If you have any suggestions or if you want me to make more such Instagram store related videos, you can let me know in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and also hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Also, if you're watching my face for the very first time, hi, I am Snehal, and I make random videos here on YouTube, right from DIY, styling tips, fashion, hauls, sometimes travel videos, also food videos. So do consider subscribing to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, bye.